Betty and the Old Woman. Betty is a girl. Betty is kind. She lives in a small town. One day, Betty walks to the shop. The day is cold. It is windy. Betty sees an old woman. The old woman has a big bag. The bag is heavy. The old woman walks slowly. She looks tired. Betty stops. She says, "Can I help you?" The old woman smiles. She says, "Yes, thank you." Betty takes the bag. She carries the bag. They walk together. They talk a little. They come to the woman's house. The old woman is very happy. She says, "Thank you, Betty." She says, "You are very kind." Betty smiles. She feels warm and happy. Betty walks home. The day is still cold, but Betty feels good inside. Moral: help people. Kindness makes the world better.